Ashley Hearth AW3200E-P are fine for best wood-burning stove for large spaces. If you want wall-to-wall warmth for big open floor plans, the Ashley Hearth AW3200E-P is built to deliver. Pushing up to 152,000 British thermal units, it's rated to heat as much as 3,200 square feet. Ideal for great rooms, large basements, and expansive main floors. The heavy-gauge 3/16-inch reinforced plate steel body is fire brick lined to boost combustion efficiency, protect the firebox, and help the stove radiate steady heat long after the flames settle. You'll load less and burn longer. The spacious firebox accepts 18 to 22-inch logs and holds up to 30 pounds of wood, so you can build a robust, slow and steady fire with properly seasoned hardwood. An included adjustable high-speed blower moves heat evenly through the room, reducing cold spots and getting spaces comfortable faster. Daily use stays straightforward. The pedestal base provides a stable footprint, while the brushed nickel spring door handle adds a refined touch and a secure grip when tending the fire. With no assembly required, you can focus on placement, venting, and clearances so the stove performs safely and efficiently from day one. If you're outfitting a large home and want high output, durable construction, and even heat distribution, this best wood-burning stove for large spaces balances capacity and control, helping you keep big areas warm with fewer reloads and a cleaner, more efficient burn. Before we unveil the top